Hello guys, welcome to Tech Vitals. Today we are going to look how to compress the files or how to create the zip files in Linux. We have two ways or two commands to compress the files in Linux. We can use either gzip command or we can also use bzip2 command. So let's start with the gzip command first. Right now we are in the tech directory and we don't have any files or folders inside this directory. So first let's create a file. Here I have used the redirection and this sequence 1 million command will produce the output from the digit 1 to 1 million, and since we have used the redirection, that output will be saved in this million.txt. So the contents of this million.txt will be the digits from 1 to 1 million. Let's press the enter. Now if we check the list, we have million.txt, and if you want to see the contents inside this text file, we can use less and see it starts with 1 and it goes till the 1 million. We can press the Ctrl F to see the next page. So it's a very large file because it has a lot of digits. Let's press Q to quit. And if we see the size of this file by using ls-lh, the size of the file is 6.6 megabytes. Now let's compress this file. Let's use the gzip command first. We type gzip and then the name of that file. Press the enter. Now we have the compressed file of that million.txt with the extension gzip. So it's a zip file, and when we compress the file, it will decrease the size of that file. So at first the size of this million.txt was 6.6 megabytes. Now since we have compressed the file, the size of this file should reduce. Let's check. As you can see, now the compressed file has the size of 2.1 megabytes. So the size of the file has almost decreased by 4 megabytes, and we can still view the contents of this file even if we have compressed the file. So we can use the less command again and give the name of the file. So we are inside the file now and we can see the same contents from 1 to 1 million. Let's press the Q. And to unzip the file or to get the original file back, we have to use G unzip and then the name of this zipped file. Okay, now if we see the list, then million.txt is back. Now let's compress this file again using the bzip2 command. So just like the gzip, we type bzip2 and then type the name of the file. Now we have this million.txt.bz2, the zipped file, and let's check the size of this file. Okay, here you can see the size of the zipped file is now 1.2 megabytes, which is even less than the file that we created using the gzip, and if we compare the file size, the original size of million.txt is 6.6 megabytes. When we compressed this file using gzip, the size of the file was 2.1 megabytes. And when we used bzip2 command to compress the file, the size of the file is 1.2 megabytes. And we can also view the contents of this zip file. So let's use the less command and type the name of this file. Just like the original file, we can see the contents that are inside this zipped file. Let's exit. And to unzip the file or to get back the original file, we can use unzip2 and the name with extension bz2. Oh, sorry, unzip2 million.txt.bz2. Now we unzipped this file. So that's the use of gzip and bzip2 to compress the files and make it a zip file. The benefit of this command is when we compress the file, the size of the file will decrease and it occupies less space in our hard disk, so we can save a lot of space. And that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.